Hello everyone, welcome back to the Avalon game project. Last time we have implemented the on-enter round voting. Oh no, we have finished the team selection stage. Now today we're going to implement the round service on-enter round voting state. So looking back to the team selection stage, we know for a fact that when we transitions to the round voting state, the it has already been so we know for a fact that the event of requesting what event? So we know for a fact that the team selection, the team selection has been made, and the quest number, round number, and team member IDs are already being broadcasted. So in the round voting service, when we enter this, when we enter this, I can't think anything we need to do here. So I think originally we want to okay, let's actually just broadcast the well, the round voting we have already we have a team proposal submitted, so we have already broadcasted this event. So I thought so. In the round voting state, I can't think of anything we need to do immediately here. I'm gonna leave it, and we're gonna deal with it later. But think about it. The round voting state, I really can't think of anything. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Let's just proceed. So the handle round vote cast. So here on enter request for votes, actually we have done that. Actually on enter, let's just do it. So last time we have broadcasted the proposal submitted event, but afterwards we're really well. Okay, the thing is we could let the front end to know that actually no. So okay, what I was thinking was we could potentially broadcast another event. So let's see if we have it. Event type. Okay, potentially we could have a like request round vote, right? And we could just broadcast that in the beginning of when enters the round voting state. But at this point, I'm actually hesitating. So the front end could potentially figure out what to do. And the thing is, we could. It doesn't really matter. So the reason why we want to save up these events is because we want to be able to return all these events to a player when the front end crashes, so that they can rebuild the whole game history. But at this point, the proposal submitted event has already have basically it already include all the information like the quest number, round number, and member IDs. So the front end should really know what to do with it. So I think the next step, we could just simply wait for this round vote cast event. Okay, so let's just do that. Not care about that. The round voting service, we already have verified the event type. Now we only need the payload. So payload equals to event.payload. If not payload, yep. So this is a very basic validation. So the vote cast, actually let's take a look at the entities. Do we have a vote cast? No. I'm thinking to actually, you know what, I'm gonna do it. So the reason why I'm looking at this is because I'm hesitating that the event doesn't have an ID. We could have just simply provided an ID. It doesn't really matter. So that it actually is consistent with everything else. But giving it an ID, we have lots of tests to change. But I think the quest vote entity, I really want to give it an ID. So class a roundabout, sorry, refactory name roundabout. It has an ID string, player ID string, what else? Quest number, round number, is that vote I think is approve is better. Yep. Okay, so let's give it that. So now we have round vote. So now to have a round vote, we want we need all those information. So we need player ID equals to this, is approved equals to this is a little bit hard because this is a boolean value, so we can't really use like if not is approved. We have to use it is approved is none, but that doesn't really matter. Let's think about something else. Is approved quest number, round number, player ID. Okay, quest number, round number. Okay. So we could potentially just use the validation. Okay, I'll write it down first. We can refactor it later. I mean, refactor this kind of a validation is very simple. So if not player ID or is approved is none, or not quest number or not round number. Raise value. Just valid valid roundabout cost event, and we give it this value, right? Okay, so after the validation, now we have everything. We want to, of course, well, we have to continue to do some validation. First of all, we have to verify the player ID. So we have to repository we don't have. Yeah, we do. Get players, put player. Yeah, we can. So this game ID is a string, player ID is a string, and returns a player entity. So coming back, so if not player, this is not found. Let's find the quest first. No, actually this is a get quest, right? So we have the get quest. Once we get the quest, we want to verify if quest dot status. So I think let's go take a look at entity. Quest. So if result, it's the result. So if this quest already has a result, quest number already completed. So now round equals to get round. Of course, we need to create that apparently. I mean, CRUD is actually a pretty basic operation, so yeah, we are expected to add these piece by piece, though later we do want to group it according to the by entity. And so this would return around. So once we have done that, so the round we want to actually, if not quest or quest result, not exist or completed. Let's just give it the quest entity. If not round or round the result, not exist or completed. Well, actually, this round is game round. Let's call it. Bah. My bad. Game around. Okay. now have we verified everything? We have verified and actually I'm not getting round. I think I am getting the last round. So because we need the quest to be the last quest and the round to be the last round. I think one thing we can verify with the quest is that we could, so without the status we can be fairly sure that it is the last quest, but with the round it's actually a little bit annoying because we don't really know. Oh, actually the result we can do that. Okay, fine, fair enough. So if it's already completed, yeah, we don't care about it. Okay, so once we have these, I think we could, yeah, this is done. So after the validation, I think all these could be extracted. Refactor, extract method, validate. Round vote cost event. Okay, so we have this. So after that, after validating it, we want to so actually let's copy these because we do need these for creating an event. So actually, let's do it while writing tests. We're on round service. Yes, perfect. So let's add a def test handle round vote cost. Yep. Let's do happy path first. Mocker round service. Repository and com service. Perfect. Whoa. This is a little much, isn't it? This is absolutely not what I need. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Okay, let's start from beginning. We need an event. This event, we need a game ID. So game ID equals to game ID. This quest number 3, round number 4. We can still do that. Player ID equals to player ID. What else? That's pretty much it. So event, we want to get event game ID round broadcast. So no, I think the, so actually let me create a payload here. Quest number, round number, player ID. Perfect. So the recipients should be everybody because we want to broadcast this event that this player has voted. But we only want people to know that they have voted, but not what they have voted, because we want to basically make the results public by the end of the game. It would only contain these. Actually, I don't. Oh no! Yes, we need this because we need the. Do we though? Yeah, we do. We need these for grouping these events, right? We need to understand who has voted. Though, I mean, this is a little bit annoying. I wonder if we. Okay, no. When it passed this in, we absolutely need to create this event. My bad. I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Okay, so payload. Okay, So we have this event, and timestamp. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. What I was debating. So handle cast. So what we need, actually, no, we need to create something else. So first of all, we need player equals to marker dot magic spec equals to player. So now, wait, this player. So now this player, okay, this player, we need the repository to return it. We need a quest. Quest dot quest number equals to quest number. Quest dot result equals none, right? So now repository dot get quest, return that, and we need a round. Actually, game round equals to magic mark. The round dot round number equals to round number, and the round dot result equals to none. The repository get round return value is game round. I think we have everything. Perfect. So now when we do this, we want to verify that the get game is called by we don't really get game, but we do have get player. Assert called once with an player ID. The repository dot get quest is called repository dot get round is called yeah, get round. Get player, yeah, I think this is correct. It's not liking it because, let's see. Run service validate player ID is approved, is it? Oh yeah, is approved. So we're missing it. Let's do it. Is approved equals to true. Okay. So how about now? Yay, cool, passed everything. So we want a the reversed test. Basically, we want to test all the edge cases. I think we can copy paste whatever we have done here. So so let's just copy this whole line. Test handle round broadcast with invalid event. So here we want to create different payload. So the payload, we are still following this. So we want first of all, we don't want to get any payload, make it empty. So the second part is we're missing a quest number. This one is missing a round number. We have both quest number, round number, but we're missing a player ID. Perfect. Quest number, round number, player ID, but we're missing is approved. Perfect. And now everything. So we could potentially just give it a none, just for the sake of it, though it's highly unlikely to happen, but doesn't matter. So we have a payload as to get it here. So now we still need a game ID. The payload is everything, so we need this. Yeah, okay. I think we're gonna deal with it. So given these, when just do this. I think this one's pretty good. Yep, we have verified everything. So now with all these, we want to create this round vote. So yeah, we have to create this method. Okay, so now we want to verify that repository dot put round vote assert called once with game ID, quest number, round number, player ID, and is approved. Perfect. And the tests are still passing. Yes. Now we want to create an event. Nope. Yeah, I almost don't want to. No, I'm not gonna do this. So I am actually going to game ID roundabout cast. This is to everybody. Payload. Oh, payload is something. I think the roundabout cost event roundabout cost event payload equals 2. I think I'm still gonna get player ID. This is absolutely absolutely needed. The quest number, round number, and this is everything. So yeah, the timestamp, I don't really care. Yeah, we have a way to deal with this. Yeah, so self.com service, we're gonna broadcast this event. Perfect. I think this is everything. So here what we need to do is to verify. No, I actually have to create an event first. Not this payload, but player ID, quest number, and a round number. Okay, so this is the actual payload. We want to verify that verify that the comp service is called by this. Wait. Okay, pretty nice. We have done that. So we don't need marker here. We don't need a repository here because we are not going to verify like whether it's called anything or blah blah blah. As long as we know that this validation still works, as long as how this private method does it, we don't really care. But I'm a little bit curious about why I'm not giving any timestamp here and this could still pass. I'm very curious. I don't understand why. So actually I'm gonna stop everything, restart. I hope. Yeah, this is mostly strange, but I'm gonna accept it. So ideally I think we want just to confirm that we are giving a proper timestamp. Are we not giving? Yeah, we're still giving default value. Why? Anywho, this is a little bit strange. I am a little bit hesitant to let it go, but okay, well, as long as it passes, I'm not gonna dwell on that. Okay, cool. I think we made some pretty good progress today. We have created a new entity, roundabout. We have implemented the round service dot handle roundabout cast, and that means we have finished the very step in the roundabouting state handle. So the next thing is we're going to implement this method to calculate all the votes in this round, and if it reaches to it matches the number of players, we are going to then we return value if this roundabout is completed. The reason why I hesitated is because I just realized that there's one more check we need to do here, which is to see if this player has already voted for this particular thing. So we are going to have to do something like a so round vote equals to self dot get round vote. We still don't have it. Now we have it. Round number player ID. So now if round vote is already voted for round number quest number round number. Okay, so now we want this part to change a little bit as well. No, we can't do this because these are all assume that the payload has an issue. So we have to create a new test called test with with clear voted. We still need a marker, we need a round service, and we need a repository. Right. So now we need all these events. Actually, all these, everything actually. Other than no, up until here. Yank, paste, wait, paste, oh god, fine, okay, so, repository. So we have everything except we want to verify that the repository the get round vote equals to something, basically anything. So this, of course, will throw an error. But all these are already called, and we want to verify that how to get round vote is also called. Yep. Is it still passing? Nope. Oh, okay. One. Okay. So here we have to verify that repository get around equals not get around get round vote dot return value equals to none. So in this case, this test would pass. Wait, what? Clear ID voted, already voted. What? Get round the vote, yeah. Get. No, not this. Get round the vote. Wait, what is this get round? And a round vote, yeah, okay. Okay, and this with clear voted. Why? Repository dot get round vote. This I don't quite understand because handle this the get round vote. Wait. Oh, not put get. That's why. Ugh. So now this. Are we making the same mistake? Nope. So now, what is the problem with this? Our message put roundabout call once. We are verifying handle with player voted. Oh yeah, of course. The put roundabout of course should not be verified. We only get the player to verify if the player is valid, quest round if the quest round is valid, and this to verify if the player has already voted. So now we have everything passed. Cool, perfect. So I think I'm gonna wrap up here today. Yeah, we have finished the first part of the round voting state, and next time we're gonna continue with the rest. Okay, thank you everyone. See you next time. Bye.